Hey friends, it's Kim. I'm just going to show you the correct way to use an impulse sealer. Most people, when they seal their mylar bags, they seal it by turning their knob to the 7, which is for 7 mil, or the 5 or the 3.5, whichever it's going to be. And then they depress the arm and then they let it go up. And they pull their mylar bag off. When they do that, what that does is, I know it doesn't sound like it, and it doesn't look like it because it looks like it's fully sealed, but you're essentially pulling a hot mylar seam apart when you do that. So what you really need to do is you need to depress the arm, let it heat, then let it cool for double the amount of seconds that that arm was depressed and the light was on. So say for a 7 mil package, I believe it's 4 seconds. So you want to hold it down for 8 seconds afterwards, and that way you get a tight seal and your seal is actually intact. What that means is, I don't want to sound all scientific because I'm not a science person, but what that does is the weld that you are creating in the bag, right here, that weld will now be held together while the bag is cooling. And it's really important because if you don't, like I said, then the hot bag, the hot mylar, which is essentially plastic and a metallized layer, it has a chance to pull apart. So that's just a little explanation of what you need to do to ensure that you have a good seal with a impulse sealer.